Hi, Pac Prez here again. This time I want to talk through the UCS 7A and the combination with the PL810. Sure, there's other hockey puck and hasp combinations out there. You've probably been buying them even before you saw this one from PACLOCK. But there's a big difference to the solution we've come up for you. Number one, the biggest problem with using these hasps and a hockey puck on your van, people lose the hockey pucks all the time. If you own a company and you have 20 vans out there, you decide you want to put that high security on your vans, terrific. But how many of your drivers leave that hockey puck on the bumper when they open it or on the ground when they open it and then they drive away? There's a $30 or $40 investment per puck for you to have to now replace. What PACLOCK realized was that's just not smart from a lot of different perspectives. So what PACLOCK did was we decided that we wanted to mount the hockey puck right to the hasp. No, it's not welded. It's bolted on with quarter 20 bolts. So we drilled holes onto the hasp, we tapped holes in the back of the hockey puck, and now you, the consumer, can actually mount the hockey puck right onto the hasp before you mount it onto your van. And then this way when you do, now when you open your swing doors, the hockey puck stays fixed onto the hasp is fixed onto your door, your guys no longer lose those hockey pucks. On top of that, we've added other security benefits. If you grind off the heads on just one side, you've defeated the entire application. So what PACLOCK has done is we've given you the ability to install one more bolt through the hasp, through your door, that's now protected underneath the hockey puck. So when the hockey puck is installed, the would-be intruders might grind off the other three carriage bolt heads, but they won't know there's a fourth hidden head underneath the hockey puck. We not only nickel-plated our hasps, but then we powder-coated on top of that nickel plating. And the idea is that if the powder coating ever gets chipped off, it's not a problem. You won't have bare metal being exposed to the elements to rust. Instead, with PACLOCK, you're going to have nickel-plated steel that can withstand the test of time. The PL810 and UCS 7A combination are really the best solution you have for vans today. Keep in mind, the bolt hole pattern that we've put into our PL810 matches up with the existing Master Lock solution you might already have installed on your vans. So if you have that on your van today, drive on down to Home Depot, pick up the UCS solution, and it's just a simple change out of bolts to get our solution back onto your van. Only from PACLOCK.